Good day everybody, USADOS here from Busyman. Today we got this PORTER 2010 CRDI engine, big engine. Let's review this car, take a look at it and see how good is it. It's like you can see a lot of rust here. This one is in a good condition. There's more rust on the sides here, but not a lot of corrosions. There's some rust over here as well. Let's check the doors. This is the first door. It's in a good condition. I can't see any rust on the door edges. Check the another one. This is the other side. Here also can't see any rust. You can look at the edges of the door. Here as well. Let's check the engine. Here's the engine, sounds good. The circulation is good. A lot of dust here, but looks fine to me. I don't know what this looks like. It's leaking or something. Let's check this one. A little bit of smoke going out, but no oil is coming. Looks pretty good to me. Now inside the car, let's try to start the engine and see if there's any problems. There we go. Lights are on. Start the engine. Lights are off. Everything's fine so far. Let's try to accelerate. Perfect acceleration. The RPMs are going very smoothly. Let's try one more time. Perfect. The sound is also good. Let's try the audio.
대한민국 스마트 기계 기술의 리더 부산 국제 기계 대전 2021년 5월 26일부터 29일 부산 백스코에서
그때 들어보는 세상 뉴스빅
Works perfectly.
검색량이 많았던 한 주간 화제 뉴스.
Volume is also good. Speakers are in a good condition.
그때 들어보는
Let's try the AC. Let's turn the fan. Wind is blowing very strong. Cold. All working perfectly. Cold air is coming out. AC is good. Got also the windows. Works just fine. The other side. Also works perfectly. The interior. Gear shift. Alright.
Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo deseen. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210-7353-2398.
This was the review of our Porter 2010 CRDI engine. As you've seen, everything looks fine. The engine is in a good condition. Acceleration goes very smoothly. If you have any questions or if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us and reach us on busyman.kr. Have a good day.